Hey everyone, it's Malcolm, and welcome to Daily Data Drop number 6. We are living in crazy times, and one of the strangest things to see occurring is the massive push from companies to put AI in literally everything. In fact, 77% of devices, whether it's your in-home assistant, your smartwatch, your phone, or even your refrigerator, are starting to have AI automatically embedded in it. But moving away from the physical, it turns out 60% of enterprise artificial intelligence deployments are on the cloud. Which, when you think about it, this does make a lot of sense because it provides companies with the ability to get real-time analytics, automatic scaling, and collaborate on a workflow across locations and departments a lot more easy. And for all the data nerds out there, like myself, it's also really important to pay attention and see how AI is transforming the world of data analytics and data science. One pretty cool thing that dropped recently is Google's new asynchronous coding agent, known as Jules. It is still experimental, but what it does is it literally creates a copy of a GitHub repo and it deploys it on a virtual machine where it can actually test and run the code to make sure it works before it gives you back the final result. This helps it know what's going wrong with the code and prevent what's known as debugging decay. If you want to know what that is, check out my previous daily data drop. And it is even able to give you screenshots of what the application currently looks like before it actually gives you back the final result. And that's not where Google stopped. They also have another tool, a data science agent that, like Jules, the asynchronous coding agent, also uses Gemini 2.5, but this one kind of does the job of a data scientist a little bit. So all you need to do is upload 3 datasets and give it a task, and it will take those datasets and complete the task, even coding machine learning models.